In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent emails in Outlook. This is all about tidying up your mailbox and making sure messages you no longer need are removed from your sent items, and if you want, permanently cleared from your account. Just a quick reminder before we start. Deleting a sent email only removes your copy. It doesn't unsend the message from a recipient's inbox. Begin by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so Outlook can access your mail. Once you're in, look at the folder list on the left side of the window and click Sent Items. If you have multiple accounts in Outlook, be sure you're in the Sent Items for the correct account. Find the email you want to remove. The fastest way to delete it is to select the message and press the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll see it disappear from Sent Items and move into Deleted Items. If you prefer using the mouse, you can click the Delete or Trash Can icon in the ribbon at the top of Outlook, or use the Delete icon that appears in the reading pane when a message is open. Another simple option is to right-click the message and choose Delete from the menu. All of these do the same thing, so use whichever feels most natural. If you're cleaning up a batch of messages, you can save time by selecting multiple emails at once. Click the first email in the range, hold the Shift key, then click the last email and press Delete to remove them together. For messages that aren't next to each other, hold the Control key and click each one you want, then press Delete. After you've cleared sent items, go to the Deleted Items folder. Messages stay here until you remove them permanently. To completely clear them out, choose Empty Folder and confirm when prompted. This action permanently removes the emails from your mailbox, and there usually isn't an easy undo. If you deleted something by mistake and haven't emptied the folder yet, you can drag the message back to Sent Items, or press Ctrl+Z right away to undo the deletion. Keep in mind that your organization's retention policies may still keep items for a limited time behind the scenes. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Sent Items, delete the messages you don't need using the keyboard, the ribbon, or a right-click, and then empty deleted items if you want them gone for good. Thanks for watching.